starting to work on the electrical system. The alternator wasn't putting out any charge on this Ford 1110 little tractor. The alternator overall is in good shape, just very dirty. As I don't remember if I changed out a bearing or not. I had a really hard time getting this back in, getting the brushes back to be able to put it back in place, but anyways, it was rusted, so I took it apart and sanded down every contact I could get to, just cleaned it up really good. Let's see, and just another neat little bit of information is, I think I changed out both of those bearings, that the Geo Metro for the 1.0 liter motor fits perfect. I didn't even have to alter any. I think I had to shave down a little bit of the one of the mounts with a grinder, but that was it. I mean, it was amazing how perfect that alternator fit on this tractor. But it's a Japanese made motor, and so the Geo Metro is also a 3-cylinder, which is very similar motor, very similar liter, and so that's just a good alternative. Although this, I went ahead and went back with that alternator because it was good. Ultimately, as I'm pointing out here, there's 2 fuses back here underneath the panel, which you can't hardly see, but those fuses were out, not allowing the 12 volt charge to get to the alternator to excite it. And so once I changed out those fuses, we restored power. Now, when the guy, now that's that Geo Metro motor. All I had to do was be out that pulley, and it was a great fit. Again, I didn't have to go with the Geo Metro motor, but like I said, the mounts were perfect, and I could have definitely used that. I'm showing here that I extended out that mount to be able to tighten up the belt, because I was having issues. Probably could have used a different belt, but that was my way of making sure that I didn't have to do that. And that I used part of the Geo Metro alternator mount as well. And so I think I'm showing here the connections to make sure that that right there just had a leak right there on the block, and I used that that's not Permatex. I don't remember that kind of the weld, and that was what I did to the I did a little weld there, just getting it all fixed up for him. Now on this tractor, there's a little rectifier underneath the console there, and when the guy picks it up, he runs it like at 3,000. I told him don't run it at 3,600 RPM or whatever, because I noticed that rectifier was starting to smoke, and so I suggested he just run it, at that about 2,600 RPM, and he would have he'd get more use out of this old tractor. And I think right here I'm just showing that I'm getting it's not a great, because I think that rectifier, if I went with the Geo Metro alternator, I don't think I would have needed that rectifier there. I might have, but I think I would have gotten a better, like more of a 14. I'm thinking I'm getting like a 13.1, even on like the 2,000 RPM.